Photo in Google Drive. Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to keep photo in Google Drive. So to keep photo in Google Drive, you could do it in a different way. So first thing, let me go ahead and do it. So first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and open up your Google Photos app. I'm gonna go with this particular image and I'm gonna upload it or keep it to my drive. So I'm gonna go ahead and press the gear icon or the share button, then go to drive. When you do this, you can go ahead and see that you'll be able to download it to this particular image. So this way you could go ahead and click on a save button and you can go ahead and keep the photo in Google Drive. Now the next way is, and the second step and the next step how you can do is, go ahead and open up your drive first of all. When you actually open it up, then press the new button located right at the bottom, press and upload. Here you go, you could go ahead and select any of these photos and you could store it or keep it in your Google Drive. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.